Hey everyone, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have quite a few different vehicles here, but today we have number 1 and number 2 vehicles in Ontario. And when I say number 1 and number 2, I don't mean in sales. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So we have number 1 in vehicle theft, Honda CR-V. Number 2 in vehicle theft, Toyota Highlander, in this case a hybrid. Those two are the two top leading in the vehicle theft in Ontario today. This vehicle is actually back to us after it was recovered. There was an attempted theft on this vehicle that caused some damage, and the customer got the vehicle to the dealership. Once they got the vehicle back, they just did not want to take the car home. They asked us to bring the vehicle as soon as possible to install the IGLA Anti-Theft PIN code system. The reason is they want the car to stay home. Now, one of the things that we have actually in this vehicle is we have a key protection. The IGLA has a key programming protection, meaning that if somebody pulls out the front fender, as we've seen in many videos, access the CAN wires there, or if they go inside the vehicle, access the CAN wires there, and put a key programmer device, they won't be able to program a key to the car. Unfortunately, it doesn't prevent from any key boosting, so if somebody got the signal and boosted the signal, that won't be able to protect, but the vehicle will still stay home because it has the IGLA. So let me show you how the IGLA works on this car. So I have access to the vehicle. So let's pretend the thief was able to make a boost your key signal or something. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to press the brake pedal, as you can see on the bottom there, and I'll press the start button. As you can see, the vehicle does not go to ready mode. No matter how many times I try, the vehicle does not go to ready mode. In hybrid, you have to have the ready mode. If not, the car is not moving. So we are preventing the car from starting. Now, the code that we have created is a combination of buttons in the factory controls. The customer can change the code as many times as you want. There is no limitation of how many times you can change it. You do not need a software or a technician. There's a specific procedure that we teach our customers, and the code can be a combination of 3 buttons or 20 and anything in between. I'm going to enter my code. I'm going to get my confirmation. I got the sound, I got the beeps. I'm going to press the brake again, press the push, and the vehicle right now is in ready mode, meaning the car can be driven away with no issues, no problems. Now, a lot of people asking, are you preventing the car from starting? So what about my remote starter? So let's go ahead and show you the remote starter function. So the factory remote starter, okay, so as you can see, the vehicle receives the signal. It will go to the ready mode, the one that I showed you we were preventing before. But this is only during remote start, because as soon as you open the door, the vehicle shut down, and you have to restart the vehicle. Without having the code, you won't be able to restart the car. The IGLA Anti-Theft System is available for a variety of cars. You can find a dealer nearby on iglacanada.ca, or you can contact us at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on our next protection on our next vehicle.